On today's episode of MRTriton, Campertrailer rooftop tent installation. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to part 2 of our Campertrailer build. So in the last video we welded together the trailer rack, we painted the trailer rack, we drilled some holes, we're ready to mount the rack itself. We've also got this aluminium cover. So plans changed to work that easier and cheaper for us to just make our own cover. So what we've got is these 2 pieces of aluminium that are cut to size to fit the trailer nicely. We've got this weather strip here to sort of seal the trailer and make it nice and watertight when we tighten the rack down onto the trailer. And then what we'll do is we'll fix the cover onto the rack, we'll mount the rooftop tent, and we'll see what it looks like. Let's get stuck into it. Okay, so part 1 is the installation of this weather strip. So what we're going to do now is we're going to measure up some pieces, cut them and stick them to the trailer itself. That way when we tighten down the rack, it'll compress and it'll cause a weatherproof or waterproof seal.
Oh yeah, there she goes.
So what we've got to do is degrease the trailer here just to make sure it's nice and clean, because there was a bit of rust protectant grease on it, so things aren't sticking to it as well as we would like. So we'll clean it up and then we'll stick the weather strip on. So what we need to do is we need to work out a way to align this cover with the rack and also work out where the holes are going to need to be to drill them. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a bead of silicone along the rack. We're going to screw the top cover to the rack, and we're going to take the rack off, flip it upside down, drill the holes through the cover, and then bolt it down onto the trailer. What it looks like when your mum tucks your bed sheets in too tight.
Oh, yep, she got heavy all of a sudden.
The rack has had the cover put on, as you can see right here. What we've done is we've put some flex seal around each of the little joints where the cover meets the rack to prevent any water penetration. We've drilled the holes through the cover as well, that way it fits. What we're going to do now is we're going to work out how the tent is going to sit on the trailer on the rack. We're going to drill some of those guiding holes to enable us to install the tent to the rack. Then what we're going to do is we're going to apply the rack or install the rack to the trailer, put the tent on, and we'll see how it looks. Alright, so the holes are drilled in the cover for the trailer. What we're going to do now is we're going to bolt and lock tight the trailer cover on, then we're going to install the rooftop tent. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the bracket around the beam here using this little nut tighten it up, and that should hold the rooftop tent on nice and firm. Alrighty, so as you can see, we've got the trailer here, the rack is on, the cover's on, and we've got the tent mounted to the trailer. What we're going to do now is we're going to pop up the tent, have a look at how it looks. We're going to show you what the tent looks like on the inside, outside, and sort of have a practice of setting it up on the trailer. That way, if we need to do any modifications to the way it's attached to the trailer, if it needs to go up higher, lower, whatever, we can do those changes now, rather than find out when we're in the bush. It's on the wrong side, mate. Dumb and Dumber. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, just like slap you in the head, mate. Thought you deserved it after you told us to put it on the wrong way around. Yeah, I reckon it's that way. Alright, no worries then. Oh, no worries then, mate.
I said, are you sure? And you went, yep.
Yeah, fine. Whatever.
That's how it went.
Yeah, I've got everything else right so far, for now.
I feel like it's maybe a little tight for two people though.
You know what? I agree with that statement. I think it's a bit low. Look, it's comfy. It looks comfy. You'll be loving it. That's a one-person tent, if you ask me. Open it up so I can actually see it. Yeah, you'd get two people in there.
It's a snug two-person.
I just picture condensation building up in it. And here we are. So we've done a mock camp. This is how we're going to be set up. Look at that. We've got the camper trailer, pop top tent. Going to swap the side that the awning is on the Pathfinder. Then we've got the MRTriton here with the rooftop tent popped up. And whoever our lucky guest is can go here. Nice little camp, little fire, some chairs in the middle. That's cozy. A safe harbour, as they call it. Book it in, mate. Book it in. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and leave a subscription after you've watched the lovely video. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.